Hi guys, I have been ordered a Huda Beauty lipstick plus 3 in 1. Some surprising shades. Let me check up. I'm going to unpack this now. Okay. Wow. See here the packaging. Okay. Let me remove it. This is what I found in the box. There is a chick written here. Chick tint, eyes, and lips. Let me open it. Oh, it's for lips. This is in red in color. Good. It's looking good. Okay, this is for eyes. Let me just try up here. Is it a shimmery? No, it's looking like there is a concealer. It's looking like that for eyes. Okay, let me go it down. This is the pink one which I found. The shape is different. So funny now. Let me check it. I'm just trying to blend it from my hand itself. Wow, it's giving a so natural pink effect. Just see the shade. It's so light pink. I guess you can see it. This is nice, which I really like that. I will mention the link in the below. Follow for more.